I'm Shannon Belanger from SimplySOS Professional Organizers, and I'm back to help you declutter, streamline, and organize all aspects of your life. Here are 3 tips and tricks to get your organizing journey started. Tip 1, just start. Being organized is a skill most of us were never taught. Perhaps helping someone else tidy comes a bit easier to you, but when it comes to your own space, you have no idea where to start. That's okay. We aren't all experts in everything, and organizing is a skill that you too can learn. The key to start your tidying project is just that, to start. Whether it's clothes, cupboards, or closets, pick one and let's go. Tip 2, overwhelmed? Start small. Begin with a manageable space like a bookshelf or under the bathroom sink and build on each success. Ready to dive right in? Designate a sorting area to separate items into groups of dispose, donate, and keep. Edit your belongings with the end goal of bringing calm to your chaos. Tip 3, group like with like. Gather all similar items together. Dispose of any damaged items. After all, if you didn't fix it when it first broke, you're unlikely to ever fix it. Keep only those items that are sure to be used again and that you'd buy again if given the chance. Donate unwanted items to Goodwill. You'll help Albertans with disabilities secure purposeful training and find meaningful employment. An added bonus? Goodwill's sustainability initiative ensures every effort will be made to divert unsellable items from the landfill. Throughout your organization journey, remember to be kind to yourself. Your space did not become overwhelming overnight. This will take time and test your patience, but it's worth it. Until next time, I'm Shannon Belanger from SimplySOS. If you're consumed by clutter or suffocated by stuff, we're here to help.